What's up, guys? This is Luke from ALOT Fitness, bringing you a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how my home gym has made my fitness journey way better for me in my garage gym. Hope you guys enjoy.
Upper body garage gym gains, baby. Let's go.
Hey, buddy, why don't you stop flexing those biceps and start flexing those quads? This dog over here, he's got bigger legs than you chump. We had to get Zoe back in the skit. She hasn't been in the skits in a while. We had to give the Z from ALOT some love. So hope you guys enjoyed that. So make sure you guys checked out my recent video where I talk about my top 10 home gym essentials and why they're the top 10 that I use most commonly in my garage gym. It'll be in the description and up here for you guys to check out. Be sure you check out my codes, my links. All of that helps with me. You know, I get a kickback, then all that money goes right back to the channel for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about how the home gym has just made my fitness journey way better. So really for what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna talk about the tips that I've created for myself to help make the home gym worthy for me, and kind of talk about my 6 keys that I've kind of instilled in my head to continue the growth in this garage gym. So it's more of like a motivational talk about my fitness journey, and I'm also going to break down how I train. So then when I'm done, you guys let me know in the comments, do you want to see more training type videos in the comments? So let me know. So let's get started. Anyways, guys, so I want to do is break this down by kind of the tips that I've used with myself. You guys can take. I want to talk about my training breakdown and my 6 keys to success I've done in the garage. And then I want to show you a workout clip for my Instagram if you guys are interested in watching that too. So stick around to the whole video, guys. It's something different that I'm trying. Stick around, keep it up. Make sure you like, comment, etc. So moving on, the tips that I have that have helped me can stay, up to beat, continue that growth in the garage gym is number 1, finding the equipment that works best for you. That's why I created the top 10 home gym essentials, because those are the 10 things that have helped me create the gains that I want in my physical health. And those 10 things have really gotten me to this point to where I honestly feel the best I have ever. And I've been training for over a decade. And I think that's kind of where the next thing comes in. Number 2 is consistency. That's a huge tip for all of us and me, is finding consistency. I feel like the consistency is there because I have a program that is keeping me on a schedule, which the program I'm doing is from Joe DeFranco, which I'll plug him right here. And I want to talk about after this how my program is structured to keep me consistent and on a schedule. Because for me, I train 4 to 5 days a week. 4 days a week consistently, I always do, and I feel like I always try to get a fit day in. Usually I do like cardio or some sort of circuit training to get in and stay consistent. And then the final thing I want to say tip-wise is, guys, always try different things in the home gym. And that's the glory of the home gym, is you don't have anyone in here giving you weird looks, being like, dude, what are you doing? Guess what? You get to try whatever you want because it is your space. In your space, you're going to be able to have all these endless time to exercises. And honestly, that's how you grow in the gym, is trying new things to figure out what works best for you. So remember that tip. But those are my tips for anyone out there and for me in the home gym. So those are my tips for you guys, for me, that I have created in my home gym. Now, training breakdown. If I mentioned I'm doing a push-pull leg full body training program for the past 12 weeks from Joe DeFranco, which he's right here. I'll have his Instagram here to check him out. A very knowledgeable guy. He has honestly taught me how to train differently, which is honestly, I've gotten way more growth training how he does than how I used to. So how I structure my push-pull leg program, guys, is the fact that I start off by doing mobility. Mobility is some sort of stretching, getting the body moving with, just body weight stretches to kind of get the blood flowing, because stretching, mobility before you start training, honestly, it's common sense. You're not going to have injuries. Well, you're hopefully not going to have injuries because you're stretching the muscles you're using before you start training. And guess what? I never did that really at all until this program. And yeah, I'm calling myself out. It's probably why I was hurting all the time. I didn't do any mobility. And then after mobility, I start doing what's called a prime and pump. Prime and pump is where you are pumping up the muscles, getting that blood flow. Like, for example, push. You're doing some sort of tricep, some sort of push-up, or fly, to get the blood flow in the triceps in your chest, usually high reps, to get going. And then after that, what I usually do is some sort of supplemental exercise, whatever it is I'm doing, push, pull, leg, full body, to kind of get those muscles still going. And then, bam, I do my main lift, which I used to do my main lift right away, but then I noticed the rest of my workout, I was exhausted. I noticed that doing the steps before the main lift, I feel like I'm stronger. I have better reps because of doing it in the middle of my training. And then after that, I do what's called accessory lifts to help continue to fine tune the muscles. And then once I'm done with accessories, I do some sort of finisher. Example could be farmer's walks. I've done that. Or sometimes I do, like on my full body days, I do the rower for 10 minutes. I just go hard. And that's how I've been training for 12 weeks. And I feel mentally, physically better. I feel like I actually want to continue to work out in here because of the way I train. And if you guys like to see a video in the future of like a workout of how I train like this, let me know in the comments. So this is going to be my 6 keys that I've had to success in the garage gym beyond how I train with my program and beyond just the basics of the kind of equipment I have. Number 1, stay consistent. Consistency is key. Number 2 is always try to do some sort of cardio movement daily. Could be 10,000 steps as your cardio. I like to do the rower after. I prefer, my personal opinion, doing cardio after my workout so that it's like a kind of a finisher to get the heart rate up. Then number 3, I'm not a nutrition guy. I'm not going to sit and preach nutrition, but continue to get protein intake, carbs, veggies, fruits in your diet, which I've done a lot better at with the garage gym. And number 4, I would say water. And again, I'm not an expert, but guys, I drink a half a gallon of water every day, and I feel like my muscles are more full. I have more energy because of the water intake. Number 5, I'm kind of preaching to the choir, is sleep. Trying to get sleep, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, really is important to be able to get a good workout that you want, especially when you're busy. I've been trying to get the 7 hours daily, and when I do, I feel like I can get out here and have a better workout. And the last one, making sure to stretch before, after your workout, stretching out the muscles you work so that you're not killing yourself like I did when you're training. And then again, I'm not a personal trainer, none of that. This is just the keys that I've done in the garage gym, home gym, that has helped me stay consistent towards my fitness goals. And that's kind of this video comes into play, is it's made me a better person mentally and physically because of this right here, my garage gym. So I'm gonna slide off in a second here and show you from my Instagram some push exercises I've done with my program. And if this is something you wanna see is like a full workout, let me know in the comments. So hope you guys enjoy this quick clip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot of talking, but I kind of wanted to talk about the tips and tricks that I've done and my training, how I go about, how I work out in here. So just have an idea so that you kind of know beyond just the garage gym reviews that I do, kind of there's more to me besides just talking about a bar and a bench. So I hope you guys stuck around the entire video. Really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments how you train. Let me know what tips and keys you have in your home gym to help you stay in shape towards your fitness goals. But yeah, guys, I have the next 3 videos are 3 review videos of insane, amazing products I cannot wait to show you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is Luke from LNC Fitness. We'll see you guys later.